It's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we're 1,000 members
How is it now compared before?
now. We're at 1,000 members or more.
Yes.
Well, currently,
1.4K.
right now, 1,000, 1.4K. 1,000 members yung capacity ng clan. But the 1.4K is on Discord, I think.
Yep. So what pushed the change? Feeling mo, boss, like ano yung main reason kung bakit natin ginawa yun?
Okay, so the main reason kung bakit tayo nag-restructure ng clan is more of a management thing.
Mhm.
If I could say that. Marami kasi nangyayari na it's getting out of hand.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we're 1,000 members. There's so many members. You can't keep track of everyone on the server and on the
You
clan.
can't please them all.
So yes, you can't please them all. You can't track what is happening to everyone. So we structured the clan or the chain of
May
command,
two-way split na nga eh.
basically.
Warframe and
Yes.
non-warframe.